Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's practice some sentences with a new item. Today's word is camera. Camera. I use my camera to take out photographs. I use my camera to take out photographs. I can adjust the camera angle. I can adjust the camera angle. Take a picture with your camera phone. Take a picture with your camera phone. I love to be in front of the camera. I love to be in front of the camera. I was almost blinded by the camera flash. I was almost blinded by the camera flash. I hope these sentences help. Remember to practice daily and keep the confidence going. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notifications of new videos. Bye!